Here's the recipe for Blackberry Cobbler. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. In a large bowl, gently toss the blackberries with sugar, lemon juice, and flour until well combined. Transfer the mixture into a greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Let's make the topping. In another bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Add the melted butter, milk, and vanilla extract, stirring until just combined. Drop spoonfuls of the batter over the blackberry mixture, spreading it out as evenly as possible, but leaving some gaps for the filling to bubble through. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until the topping is golden brown and the blackberry filling is bubbly. Allow the cobbler to cool slightly before serving. Enjoy warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or just a tablespoon of heavy cream. Now stay tuned for another great recipe.